Hi friends, it's time to learn vegetables. Here we go. What vegetable is this? Carrot. What vegetable is this? Tomato. What vegetable is this? Onion. What vegetable is this? Brinjal. What vegetable is this? Potato. What vegetable is this? Broccoli. What vegetable is this? Radish. What vegetable is this? Beans. What vegetable is this? Mushroom. What vegetable is this? Cabbage. What vegetable is this? Beetroot. What vegetable is this? Lazy finger. What vegetable is this? Bottle gourd. What vegetable is this? Coconut. What vegetable is this? Cucumber.